This is a call from Ramesh Thakur, BJP Legal Cell, Advocate of Supreme Court, regarding one more incident recently had happened on the judiciary system. That is, 2 weeks back, an attack has been occurred on our honorable judge, and that is the north side. And one more thing, recently in Telangana state, is the third incident after an attack on a female advocate, she has been brutally murdered by her own younger brother. So this is the third incident which an advocate has been attacked in Warangal by a TRS corporator. So the advocate by named Shankarachari, he was attacked by 20 members of team of the TRS corporator goons. So this has been this has become a joke, attacking on advocates. So if this continues to happen again and again, we can't live in this profession, and we have to leave this profession in the longer run, and we can't stand still in this profession without the Act of Advocates Profession Act. And I request all the bar associations and bar council members and bar council chairman that this Advocates Protection Act has to be enacted into the act and must be imposed as soon as possible for the protection of each and every advocate. And if the advocate is protected, then the legal system is protected, and the judiciary is protected, and the total process of the legal system will be protected. So I mean to say that this sabotage has been going on since from a long time after the power of after the TRS persons took the rule since from 7 years, attacking on the persons such as journalist Mr. Tinmar Malana, who is the journalist who is equally to Mr. Arnab Goswami, and who is giving the immense knowledge to the common public, and he has been attacked. And he's been some cases has been filed against him by the government, by the running government. And if we take a defense against the government, any defense that to an advocate or a journalist or a social service person, he will be put into pressure to withdraw the case or withdraw the news item within a short span. Otherwise, he would be sent into jail forcibly by the ruling government of TRS. So these are happening through very many evidences are there. So this act has to be stopped by the ruling government of TRS. So I say that this is the government of democracy. It's not a government of monarchy or aristocracy and feudalism, I suppose. So my knowledgeable persons of our colleague advocates and friends advocate friends and seniors and all persons of knowledge, that to take into consideration that Advocate Act has to be enacted as soon as possible for the protection of each and every advocate. Why? Because if the act is there, then only the advocate can live in this profession as long as possible. Otherwise, he can't live in this profession, and the legal system cannot be protected at all. So I request all bar associations and bar council members and bar chairmen to take this case to the Bar Council of India and to the Central and Bar Council of Telangana also regarding this issue, and pressurize the system and the concerned systems and institutions to enact this law of Advocates Protection Act. Why? Because in future you can also notice that advocates can attack in our offices also, and they can directly come to our offices and they can also attack us. So please think wisely. This is the issue for all advocates, and not it's a personal issue. I say this issue has to be taken very, very, very seriously. And this is Ramesh Thakur signing off from BJP Legal Cell, Advocate of Supreme Court. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.